Today I thought, on this glorious end of April, beginning to show signs of summer weather, 17 degrees in Sweden, it was long overdue time for an update on where I am with things and why I haven't done a video for ages, although I have scheduled videos. So it probably doesn't look like I haven't been doing any videos, but in reality it's been months. So let's find out why that is, shall we? So here we are, back in the garage. You can probably see something's missing over here. Is the first little update. Obviously, if you've watched the other videos, you'll know that the Spider is off being resprayed with Daniel at Obelix Build Renovating here in Munkedal. I'm going to go and see the car later, actually, just to sort of give him some bits. I've got here, got some new clear front lenses that I bought from a guy in Japan who has clear lenses on his Spider. Sent me the information, so I thought they look good on the car and kind of freshen up the front end a little bit. So I'm gonna go see him and see how the car's looking. Not gonna video that, but yeah, the Spider, I'm hoping will be back maybe this weekend, and then I need to set about cleaning the interior and putting everything back together. So what I've been doing, I've swapped over the seatbelt, what do you call them? I don't know what you call them, the seatbelt buckles. What's the word for them? Anyway, I've swapped them over onto the other seat, onto the other side, so now the driver's seat is the passenger seat and vice versa, just to sort of keep the seats cycling, just so that they don't kind of wear too quickly. So that's one little thing I've done, because I haven't had a great deal I can do. The other thing I've been doing is, you can see here the glue and so on, is I've been re-gluing the edges of the fabric on the various pieces. In the car there's only 3 pieces to do. So I've been doing that so that they kind of, fit better and don't look as tired as they did. I've also, you can see over there, been cleaning and polishing the rear lights for the Spider. So I've been doing lots of little spidery bits. And and one other thing that I've been doing is, the plan is to not run the plastic badges anymore on the Spider. A, to save weight, negligible weight, I know, but also because I just thought it might be cool just to sort of smooth off the front end and just have some vinyl decals instead. So found a place here in Munkedal that, wrecking everything, that does stickers, gave them the spec of what I wanted, and this is what they've come up with. So we've got, I am destroying everything on the floor. So we've got 3D style printed on white, sort of modern Renault badge. Got 3D sort of printed on silver vinyl Renault badge. And I've got several copies of those. And then we've got very modern silver Renault badge there. And I believe we have a chrome version of the same, because I didn't know whether chrome or silver would look better, so I thought, why not get both? We've also got Renault Sport, that's the rear badge, in chrome and in silver, and we've got Spider in chrome and in silver. So that's one of the last jobs that I'll hopefully do. Looking forward to that. So that's kind of where I'm up to with the Spider. The Spider, I think, will be the first car to get finished and be used. But that brings me on to the Evo. So as you can see, Evo looking quite nice. The bumper is held on with cable ties at the moment. I just wanted to put it on the car, just, for sanity's sake. The radiator is in, and now I finally have the radiator hose. So I had to get a new radiator hose from SFS in the UK. The hose that I had was for an Evo 6. Oh my God, I'm kicking everything. And it doesn't fit. So anyone who kind of doesn't know this, the Evo 6 radiator hoses don't fit the Evo 5. A lot of stuff is interchangeable between Evo 4 to 6, but some things aren't, as I'm discovering. So radiator, fine. Hoses, not fine. I had to wait for a new hose to arrive, so I've got that now. And actually, the new intercooler, the Plasma Man intercooler, is on its way and should be here this week, early next week. So with a bit of luck, fingers crossed, holding the thumbs, as they say in Sweden, the Evo soon, in the next week or two, I'm going to have to take some time off work to finish it, is going to be in a situation where I can get the intercooler on, and then I can get the radiator on, and then I can hopefully give the car a run and a drive and get it tested or work out what to do there. But I haven't done anything else with the Evo, like at all, since the last update, which I think might have been the front badge. So yeah, very, very bad. And I've not bought anything else for the Evo because I didn't see the point, because I still need to sort of get the front bumper finished and so on. I still want to get a carbon boot lid. I almost ordered one of those, but I've paused it. I still want to get a carbon bonnet. I still want to get the carbon door cards and stuff, but I need to see about the test for the car first and make sure that that will go okay. If that's going to be too problematic, then I don't know what the future might hold. And the only other update, not an update, is with the Audi, is that the Audi is knackered. It needs a new injector. So that is with a garage in Uddevalla, and that's been there for about a month. So hopefully you can see why there hasn't been any updates, because I have 3 cars and all 3 of them I can't use. So I have been, if you can see on the floor, I've been using the garage as an inline skating rink, and I didn't think anyone wanted to see that. So there we go. Hopefully there'll be more videos coming in the not too distant future, starting with the Spider, I think, and then getting Evo kind of back into shape to be used. But yeah, that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and thank you for sort of sticking with the channel, because it's not fun, is it, when there's no content. Anyway, cheers.